In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Teams channel using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just want to keep someone in the loop, it's essential to know how to add participants to your channels. So, let's go through the steps together to ensure you're confident and capable when working within Teams. First, you'll want to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need to sign in to get started. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options, including your activity feed, chat options, and of course your teams and channels. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the interface where you'll see several icons. Click on the Teams icon to view the list of all the teams that you're a part of. Within each team, you'll see different channels that house conversations and files related to specific projects or topics. Now, zero in on the particular team and channel you want to add someone to. This is a crucial step because you'll need to ensure you're within the correct channel before you proceed to invite anyone. Click on the team and then select the channel itself. Once inside the channel, you'll find a range of options specific to that channel. It's time to invite someone new, so look for the invite icon. This icon usually resembles a person with a plus sign and is typically located at the top of the channel interface. Clicking this will take you to the next step. Here you'll be prompted with a box asking for the details of who you wish to invite. You can either enter their email address or phone number. It's important to note that for work-related Teams channels, using the official email is often more appropriate, ensuring everyone is on the same page and using the right contact details. After typing in their email or phone number, you're nearly finished. Review the information for any typos or errors to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once you're sure everything looks correct, go ahead and click the invite button. And that's it, you've successfully added someone to your Teams channel. Remember, once invited, the person will receive a notification to join the channel, enabling them to access conversations and files shared within. This is a fantastic way to facilitate collaboration and ensure everyone involved in your projects has the information they need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you build an efficient and inclusive workspace. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy teaming.